Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, I'm actually at the airport. Pick up my brother who came all the way, my Jamaican brother who came all the way from the UK. So I'm actually here at the airport. It's like almost 6 years in JKIA, and you know, I'm here to pick him up family and take him to you know, the studio apartment I put together for you. He'll be staying there for a few days, family. He'll be staying there for a few days. As you know, guys, new into a country, they want their own people like Jam Tours for a few days, so that bed seater is there for you. If you're coming to Kenya, you need to use the address. You know, you don't know no one, you can hook up with Jam Tours, and we can actually allow you to use the address and stuff like that. So, you know, family, Jam Tours is here, live and direct. You know what I mean? Doing your work, helping you to actually, you know what I mean, find your way and move your way around Africa, help you to get settled, family. So if you're coming to Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. I'm here. I'm waiting for you. All right, family. So time you should land is like 5:40. So I'm gonna check on the thing to see what is happening. If the plane land yet, the plane land. Tell them the plane land. How much more to call me say where them get it from? Yeah, family. So I'm gonna check if the plane land while we wait and see. Our brother from the UK, Jamaican brother from the UK. Let's go. Yeah, family. So just to let you know, guys, if you come over to JKIA, the place is very cold. It's freezing. You know what I mean? It's winter time now in Kenya. The place kind of chilly, but the sun is still out. So you know, so the weather, a good weather this. You know what I mean? Not too hot, not too cold. And if you want too hot, you can, you know, just take a train, 8 hours drive, train drive, and you know, a few hours drive out to Mombasa to get the island vibes. So you know what I mean, Kenya have the island vibes, which is Jamaican vibes, and you know, if you know what it is, you know what it is. That, you know what I mean, Kenya is the spot right now, and you want to be in the mix. Salt, you have to be in the pot, and if an egg, you have to be in the red. You know what I mean? So let's go, fam. Let's wait on my Jamaican brother. Think the plane land, and then I check out. So let's see. So the plane just land. The plane just land. The left Mount Alkaline where me get them from. Sorry for my brother. Let's see. What is the family? You have the hotel them over there. It's a big Jam Tours Africa sign. Yeah, family, we're still there, beer break, and maybe like 6:30 now, and we still are waiting for our Jamaican UK brother to forward. As you can see, the sun has come out, everything is out. Yeah, family, so, you know what I mean, still there, wait, sun come out, and we just get some right now. As you know, JKIA is very cold, we have to jacket up, but the sun is out. And it's peace, love, and sunlight, we say, from with our Jamaica, and now in Africa. So it's peace, love, and sunlight. Peace, love, and Sunlight African family. So as you guys know, guys, the sun is out and still there wait. It's a while from 5:40 now like 7. You know what I mean? But we still there wait. I know sometimes flight delay, and we know sometimes, you know what I mean, you know, baggage claim and all kind of thing. A lot of unexpected can happen when you're not coming, you know what I mean, into a country. So we're still there with family. So continue watching this vlog, like, share and comment. Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. Let me know when you want Jam Tours to handle and take care of business. Let's go. Yeah, family, so we're still there wait, you know what I mean. I don't know why this flight takes so long or what happened, flight delay. But we're still at the airport, family. We're still at JKIA and the sun is out. Still I wait, still I wait. Still I wait. Still just full up with plates. Still I wait, Joe. Still I wait for you full up with plate in Kenya. Yeah. Full up all Jamaicans' plate in Jamaica should be full, overflow, and so we can give to you that is coming, family. So we put this out in the universe and we put this out to nature, we put this out to God to guide and protect us, and you know what I mean, our pockets will never grow dry once we're in Kenya, and anybody who scam us, you know what I mean, the law I gotta deal with them. The law of our law, you know what I mean. You know, with 2 law I gotta beat you in Africa if you try to scam a Jamaican. Man law and Jala, the universe law. Yeah, family, when 2 law beat you, a serious thing. Alright, family, continue watching this vlog. Like, share, comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. Still there, wait for our Jamaican brother forward from the motherland. Yeah, family, so we actually get some call that my brother is actually land in Kenya and I'm at the 1E entrance. So you know what I mean, let me go for the car and then go and pick them, family. So let's go. Yeah, family, so we're there. We just pick our Jamaican brother from the airport, heading to the apartment at the moment, and we're there vibe, you know what I mean. I mean, just make him know, say, yo, when we met them video, yeah, your classmate from 20, 50, 25 years ago, you can see them video and say, yo, I come Africa to you know, man. And when you take a stock, you have a big community, people you know, people you connect with too, and you feel at home. Yeah. So that's the reason why we do them videos, so people can actually, most people want up on the video still, that's fine with me. Because you know, at Jam Tours, we have a lot of content. It's not like we have search for content. Yeah. We have video, we need to upload it and post it. Legal, man, we're not hired. Yeah. We're free to go everywhere and make people know so we're there, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. So we're there in Kenya. And if you don't want to be on the video, you don't have to be scared and say, I'm not link up with Jam Tours, come and put me on camera and thing. You don't have to worry about that. That's what I say. If you don't want to be on the video, just say you don't want to be on the video, and we good, because I'm at to match things up. And you know what I mean? We're not, so we are look people for content, you know what I mean? But if you can pick up on the camera, right, good, because other people are going to see what are going on. It's helpful. Yeah, man, it's helpful because everybody will pick up in this is a video they watch and see what me I do, and they want to come experience it to family. And you know what I mean? A lot of people are looking for an alternative right now to move from the West and come somewhere more, you know what I mean? More family based, some, you know, a place where more calm and cool, and you know what I mean? Yeah, not all of these rights and all of these things. So yeah, Africa is a place. It's coming up.
It's a dream. It's a dream. We touch foot on the motherland.
Yeah, man. It's always a blessing, man. You have to give God thanks to allow you to do that. Yeah, a lot of people out there want to get a chance and then they get it. You know? And so we get it, so we make use of it when we get it. Yeah, man, for real. So how was your trip so far?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, we just should take a straight flight.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm so excited Egypt.
Yeah, Egypt.
Yeah, so
hey, stop off of Egypt.
When they stop off of Egypt, I never feel no way. Even we don't even notice the time. So
yeah.
We might be 6 hours. I never, you know, but.
Yeah, and the first time in Africa?
No, I'm going to Nigeria.
You go Nigeria, okay, yeah.
Nigeria kind of different.
Yeah.
go different.
Yeah. First time in Kenya though.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna see, you know what I mean? 'Cause a lot of people make Kenya their home right now. So we're gonna see if we Jamaican brother to see if him more love the thing. You see? So today we having a Jamaican Father's Day event at our new spot in Lavington. I think Jane will take you. After you got the apartment, relax yourself, rest, get some sleep. You know what I mean? You come out for some nice Jamaican food. And it's a Jamaican chef and cook, a man from yard.
Yeah, you know.
So you gotta get the real experience. Some pudding, some sorrel, you know what I mean? Steamed fish and okra and everything there. So you know the thing go. So Father's Day we're there. I pick up the brother here on Father's Day in Kenya. They celebrate the Jamaican style, the Jamaican way. So come out of Branzino Reggae Bistro, 1148 Gitanga Road, Lavington family. So you know what I mean? If you haven't got a chance to try Jamaican food, listen to the music. Now it's time for you to try the food. Yeah, family, so we're up on the expressway with low roast. First time in Kenya, first time I see the expressway and I see one family. So yeah man, so you're impressed. Yeah man. Impressed. Yeah family, so we're there up on the expressway. The entire expressway I take all the way down to Westlands. So you see the city, I know what the city is like. So in our Westlands. Yeah man. Nairobi this. Yeah man, we're in Nairobi now. It's like the city. Yeah. Safari clean. Yeah, family, when I say safari, clean. Feel like you're in the UK, same way. Feel better, Expat them feel better than UK family, so you must know. Yeah, family, so let's go. We're on the expressway. Sunday morning in Kenya.
How long is this express?
Like a 15 to 20 minutes run. Going like 100 kilo. Yeah. As you can see, it's a good stretch.
Yeah, man.
It's a good stretch. I mean, you see the city green. Now we're in the world, you have a city that's so green. All of the city are concrete jungle. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So the man notice and see that the Nairobi city is very green. You know what I mean? It's better than the city them. You know what I mean? You know, in the first world country. You know what I mean? They have fresh vegetation green in the city. You know what I mean? The air is green. Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Sit still.
Yeah, this is more impressive.
Still more, yeah, with the eye right now, I look like
The eye look. See it for yourself.
See it yourself, yeah, more impressive. Yeah.
More impressive. Yeah, the man has a family. So we just finished the expressway, and today I'm paying with cash. So you go over the MTC option, so you can just pay the full toll. I think it's like 300 and something shillings to go through the full toll. Yeah, that's right. I don't think not even £1 that. But yeah. So let's go, family. We're gonna pay today. Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Kenyan shillings from?
Yeah, because I want to buy a SIM card. And,
Oh, so you changed money already?
Yeah.
So the boss changed out the money already and have up his Kenyan shillings them to spend in a Kenya. That's a one family for people to come back and spend the money in a Kenya family.
No, that's for go on, man.
That for go on, and that are go on, and that we are preach and teach family. So
going to go pass it to Paul.
yeah, man, it shine. Shine.
Same like the Paul.
Same like the pound. Yeah, man. I think maybe that's how much shilling is that, Jane? How much shilling? 10 shillings.
10 shillings,
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. Off the expressway, heading to the Airbnb now. Yeah, family. So, we make a quick stop. It's roller. Yeah. Our general, Bruce, them want a beer. You know, Jamaicans, the first thing we want to start the morning with a beer, a dragon, or a Guinness. You know the lick. So that Bruce, them want to start the morning with in a Kenya. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. So, let's go, family. Let's go. We are going in a Nairobi. And Bruce, I got to pick up him beer. So we can roll, family. So, let's go, family. Let's go. We're in Kenya with our Jamaican brother. Throwing him around and showing him around.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Family, so Bruce getting beer and I'm enjoying beer.
Cheers.
Cheers! Cheers to Kenya, family. So we're there and we stop at a spot in a Westlands, as you can see. So Westlands look, family. It's an early morning. It reminds me of me in Jamaica. KFC there, so hello Nairobi. So you want to get some you see, I want to get some KFC. Let's go in a KFC and get some KFC. But we there, man. We there. First time in Kenya. Yeah, man. Open. Not open yet. Yeah, KFC closed. I have another place called Java House. Let's check it out. Java House. So KFC not open yet, family. So it early. Yeah.
You're not supposed to buy no chicken early night.
Yeah.
What time I over?
Yeah, man. You know, so you can get a nice like sandwich, avocado sandwich. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know, so you can get some small bites. So this is Java House, family. A place where you can come eat and dine and stuff. I want the car for Jane. Alright, family, so let's go. Jamaica, big like Nairobi. Yeah. Pretty weak.
Never like Kenya, you can't see
Yeah.
Big continent.
Yeah, man, a big continent. There are few, man. Billions of people. Yeah, family, so we're there and we're up on the greener side. We're in a Kiembu family. Greener than green, lusher than lush.
That's nice.
And driving to the apartment family. So let's go. Yeah, family, so I reach at the Airbnb and me and Bruce there. There's a briefing on the place. And if someone want a cup of tea, we have the kettle there, so Jane. Kettle, water. Yeah. And in the cupboard they say tea. They have sugar and stuff. So if you need, so sugar is there. We have some Kenyan tea there and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? I go there, so Bruce. So, you know, if you want to say nothing to me after this, let me.
man, that's a long layover, man. Long layover that G.
But we did. Like, we never worry about that still, because we didn't want to send Egypt and then our place that we didn't want.
Yeah.
We could have put at the airport and Jamaica one.
Oh, you could. Well, that. If you check, you know, because there's some place they can do that. There's some country where they have flight can come out and spend a day and then just come back to get a flight.
Yeah.
Maybe was Egypt different like that. Problematic, you know, man, for black people.
Internet, anything.
Yeah, family, so you see we there, and One Love Africa, go subscribe to him page.
Yeah, man, we're pass through.
I'm a pass through, man. I'm my chef, you know, I'm the chef.
I don't push me, but I don't have too salt for my thing.
Yeah, man.
When you come on, you match it up
That's
here.
fresh one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's easy to fresh and prepared. Nice and ready for you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Glad to see you there, man. Welcome, man.
Give thanks to that one.
Caribou sauna.
Give thanks to that one.
Yeah.